welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a how to assemble video. So I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this Vonhaus 10 plastic tray trolley. Now I've already got one of this in my house, but I decided to get another one. Now this trolley is really good. It's portable, it's sleek. You can put your makeup in it, you can put your perfume in it, your toiletries like your deodorant, name it. You can pretty much use this to declutter and organize your room. You can put it in your bathroom. It really depends on you in terms of where you feel you need storage. But this was purchased at Tesco. So I purchased this for I believe it was $26.99. I went on Amazon, I went on eBay, and for this particular one, the white trolley, prices were ranging up to say from £27 to £30. Now for me it's just about, as corny as this may sound, every little helps. So it was just about saving a little bit on the storage trolley, considering that the, I guess, bigger one, they've got like a deeper one which is about say £5, I believe. Now that one is cheaper, so that one is about $17.99. However, I wanted kind of like a slick operation going on in terms of just slim trolleys, and that's the reason why I went for this one. So I went for the white one. So this is how it's packaged. Now they do have colours in terms of grey, if you like grey, different shades of grey the trays will be. They also have the multi-rainbow colour, so if you like a colourful trolley, then you can go for the rainbow one. Those ones are a bit more cheaper than the all white one. So let's definitely open this. Well packaged. So once you've unpackaged it, you will have your trays. So this is where you will store all your items. In a packet you will have the manual, a bag of screws, some chrome bars which will hold together the frame, and also the tray top, as well as, so there's two types of screw. You've got this small screw. This is basically what you use to fit this chrome handle which will go on the tray. So I'll show you that later. So the small screws are designed to go in here like this, yeah, but I will show you how to assemble that. Then you've got the big washer screws. So these bigger ones are what you will use to assemble the chrome plates together with this. Yeah, this is just to pretty much tighten this big screw once you've assembled the frame together. So I'm going to take one piece of the chrome bar and I'm going to take one of the big screws and I'm just going to screw it. I'm going to put the screw in like this, yeah, the chrome bar. I'm just going to leave it down. So that's one done. I'm just going to do the same because there's four sections that needs to be done. So I'll take another one. Put the screw in like that. And literally just screw away. So now, this is the one side of the frame that's already been done. So what I will do is get the second side of the frame, which I'm going to screw on. Hopefully you can see how the shape will end up looking. It helps if you can have somebody to help you, but I didn't have nobody to help me. So I'm going to do that. starting to take shape. So just get the screw, put it in the hole, and screw away. As I've mentioned, don't worry about the rattan. The rattan's only there due to the fact that we've not tightened things up yet. Once we tighten it up, the rattling will disappear. All 4 brackets have been put in place in terms of the chrome bar, so this is your structure of your trolley. So what I'm going to do is literally just tighten it up because, you know, we want it to be secure. We do not want any rattling noise. So use your screw to just tighten it up. See, this is now the structure of our tray starting to take shape. So it's no longer making any rattling noise, as you can see, because it's tightened. If you do hear it rattle, then just need to tighten it a bit more. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the wheels together. So this is how the wheels come. Like this, with this black piece, just place it in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this bracket upside down, right? And simply all you do for the wheels is just literally bang it in place. So that's in, that's one wheel. So that is all 4 wheels in. So you turn it round. This is the lovely chrome top. All you simply do is get it, and that's the top of it. Okay, so as mentioned, this is the structure for the trolley. You can see. So if you hear anything that's all a bit, you know, rattly or whatever, it just probably means that, you know, the edges for these chrome bars needs tightening, but it should be secure. I would say be careful because these bits are a bit fragile, but apart from that, all good. So we're gonna move on with the tray. So as I mentioned, you've got these beautiful chrome handles that come with it, and then you've got these mini baby screws. So what you do is simply get your chrome handle, have your tray, have your screw, put your screw in like that, and literally just screw in. You can use a screwdriver if you want to tighten it, but I don't think it's necessary because it goes in quite well. So that's pretty much your tray. That's tray 1. What you do, just place it in. So hopefully you can envision how it's going to look. So I'm just going to do the same for all. Finally, so as you can see, this is the finished product. 10 trays, which 10 trays trays which you can use to store your makeup. So for me, I've got my foundation within the top one, then I've got like my lashes with lash glue, mascara in a second. If you want, you can put little labels. I mean, that's down to you if you want to know what is within each. But because they're clear plastic drawers, I'm able to see everything. But I think this is a good investment to have. Well, as I've mentioned, it's very portable. You can pretty much place it anywhere in your house. This is what I use when I want to do my makeup. I just find somewhere where there's good lighting in my house and I just wheel this along. As I've mentioned, it's a great storage unit for foundation, brushes, because what I realized was that leaving my brushes out, for example, like when dust comes in your room, it can get on the brushes. I don't like that. I'd rather just have everything nicely stowed away, or you want to put it in your bathroom, in your bedroom. But it's sleek, you know, and it fits in well with any kind of decor. So that is the Vonhaus trolley. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Please like and review, thumbs up, subscribe and share. Till my next video, take care and have a great week. Bye.